Hello friends, welcome to BI Courses YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about visualizations. Most of the time, it's the only part consumed by business users of Power BI. Broadly, visuals in Power BI are classified into two categories. First, visuals which are native to Power BI, and the other ones are the third-party visuals which can be from Microsoft and from other collaborators. We will see both of them today. Then hands-on using them on Power BI Desktop and quick formatting. Right now on the screen you have Power BI Desktop, and what you see is a full-fledged report already developed. A report contains different visuals like table, a geographical visual, a, pa- a right now we see Power BI Desktop on our screen. There can be many visuals contributing to a report. This is a fully fledged developed report and it contains different visuals like geographical visual, a table visual, we have pie chart, horizontal bar chart, cards, etc. Any report is made up of, 90% of the time it is made up of visuals, and there could be also, images which we can embed. Let's create visuals from scratch. Let's click on the next page. Now we have a canvas. This is known as the canvas, where we can pull different visuals and we can then pull data into it to see how it looks like, and then finally we publish the report. But let's not go there. Let's first create some visuals. So I will create a bar chart, a simple bar chart. So these visuals which are in this box, all above this line, are the native Power BI visuals. All of these. You have an array of different bar charts, horizontal charts with a flavor of it, like having a line chart or 100% stack chart, area chart, ribbon chart. Okay. We also have many geographical visuals. Then we have slicers, KPIs, cards, multi-row card, and whatnot. So all the visuals which are natively available to you right on your screen are the native Power BI visuals. While if you go for get more visuals using those three dots, the visuals which you now see are the third party visuals. The visuals which tick mark are the Power BI certified visuals. Those can be from Microsoft or could be from Power BI as well, but those are not natively present in Power BI. You can always click on it, click on it and add it to your space and then use it. While there are many third-party visuals like this one, multi-row, multi-info cards, which are not certified. Most of the time, organizations do not tend to use those. Maybe for security reason, or they may ask for money or payments for full-fledged use. Because the ones which are free are definitely not the ones which are free are definitely more recommended than the ones which ask for money for all obvious reasons and for security purpose as well. Let's close this out. So now we have a bar chart. I will pull one of the field known as subcategory like this. So either you just click on it or you can also drag it like this. I'll do that again. Drag it like this and you have subcategory on your x-axis. You do not see any bars right now because I haven't pulled anything on the y-axis. Let's go for total orders. You can either pull like this or you can just tick Power BI knows that where it should go, it automatically sends it to the y-axis category. Or the other option is just pull this directly into the graph. It works that way as well. Once you have successfully created a graph, you can always format it accordingly. Let's go for category because we have many subcategories here. Category. I'll go for category instead of subcategory. Okay, better. So here we have the formatting option, this one, the format button. Once you click on it, you can provide a title to it. On those title, you can format the title, you can have a background assigned to it like this, and even you can make it center aligned or right aligned or left aligned, all depends on your need. You can also do quick formatting like x-axis. You can increase the font size, you can change the font size, you can increase the font size, you can go for different color based on your requirement need. Okay, so that's how you create a Power BI visual. That concludes the video. Hope you learned how to use visualizations in Power BI. In the next video, we will learn data storytelling, which is indeed important for any BI platform developer. Till then, stay tuned. Before you go, please press the subscribe button to stay up to date. See you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.